waiting for Deity to come to that court. So I mean, like, what's the purpose of having a purpose? I'm testing my mic out. Hey guys, so today we're in Alpharetta. This is so exciting. I have my new mic on. Hopefully it does good with the audio. I'm really scared. I'm trying it out. Hey y'all! Hey guys! You're looking so cute. You said hi. Okay, cute. I should have worn my purse. We could have been twins.
Hi.
Say hi.
How you doing?
A margarita. That's my fave. I think last time that's what I got, and it was actually pretty good. And I think I got for food with like some Thai curry thing, and that was actually really good. Oh, I got you the jerk chicken I think last time. Yes, can I do the Main Street margarita?
Margarita, yeah. Can
I have salt on my rim? That comes on the rim?
Yep, that comes with it.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and try this drink. I think I have the Main Street margarita, which is tequila, Koval, Palma. I don't know what that name stuff is. I'm gonna taste it. Margarita. Passes the test. Yeah, the chips are really freaking good. Can I try one? They're good. That's good. Waiting on my food. I had to take my hair out. It wasn't giving me.
It's not even giving what y'all said it was supposed to give.
Barbecue sauce?
Dang, you hungry. Alright, y'all. When my food comes, I'll see y'all. Guys, my food still ain't come.
A few moments later.
So now we're going to Jenny's Ice Cream, which is at the Avalon, which is one plaza over. So we're going to head there. We thought we could walk, but you can't walk. So now we're going to Jenny's Ice Cream because we wanted a little treat.
Because I want to feed
her sweet cravings. All right, let's cross this street, New York style. So now we're just exploring the town, see what's out and about. Yo, this line for Jenny's Ice Cream is redonkulous.
I'm gonna sit. I'm an older lady.
You're not that old.
Not really.
Oh, now she wanna say she old.
No.
You only 10 years younger.
I'll cash it.
All right, so we have been standing here for 2 minutes. We're moving already.
We are moving live.
We're last in line yet. No, we're second to last in line, so we're moving this progress. So let's time this from 10:18 and now on, and let's see. Reporting live from Alpharetta.
Get ready. Trying
Oh my
Is this
god!
a one-way?
Oh my god! I'm nervous. What the hell? No, what the hell?
It feels so embarrassed.
Look.
Oh, the cops just coming. They're about to drive fast, but they need to drive fast.
We had a front row seat. So it's 11:05. We've been online since 10:18. So progress. It's been a while. So we're finally at the front. I'm gonna get gooey butter cake. I'm gonna get salty caramel and gooey butter cake. Boom. Okay, I'll go first. How's the gooey butter cake?
It's really good. It's like a vanilla cake and then it has butterscotch sauce. It's really sweet though, so if you don't have like a really sweet tooth, then...
Okay, can I do 1 scoop of that and then 1 scoop of the salty caramel? Actually, 2 scoops of the gooey butter cake and then 1 of the salty caramel. I'm waiting for Diddy to come to that core. Wow. Diddy could pork his core, right?
Freaking like 30-year-old about Diddy.
He's still a daddy.
He's at 30.
He older than me.
He probably like in his 80s. Older than core like that.
Well, this is a random mask, but I'm telling you, Deja left it here. She just don't realize. Now say the sentence with me.
Daddy left his mask there.
No.
Oh, yes. Wow.
This is Daddy's car, y'all. All right, y'all. The night is over. This was fun. I'll see you guys in my next video.